we got the money, we'll just buy it again. To be frankly honest. If this is a gray hair like this. Just turn that TV down. Oh, good God. Hey, y'all, hey. Welcome back to my channel. It is now 2024. We did that. 2023, we ate that. So first of all, did I disappear? Absolutely. But y'all, if you haven't saw my, what is it called on YouTube? My short, my reel, my TikTok, my, I don't know. I made a post about me and Keisha doing the prayer boards. This fan is too loud to make them be in YouTube videos. They have no choice. They live here. You don't have a choice. You live here. You understand that? Mom is a YouTuber. Look at the camera if you agree. Yeah. Period. Okay, the boy, Dutch is the only one who will cooperate. The boy doesn't. But I just wanted to come and show my face because we are now in 2024. Did that, ate that. But it's only right that I kick it off with my first video coming back is talking about my hair. Because have I been neglecting it? Something like that. But you know, we finna do all them things that we be doing. She's nothing but a spoiled child. That's exactly what she wants. I got no idea what I'm about to do to my hair, but I know it needs some time and attention. So that's what we finna do part of that. What do you want? Say hi, Duchess. Duchess. No, you're supposed to look at the camera, not me. Say, hey, Duchess. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what you want to see in this upcoming year. I just want to let you know also that there's a video that I've been editing. Please pray for me. First of all, let me show you the state that my hair is in. And don't do too much. I said don't do too much. I literally said don't do too much. It's dry. Yeah, I don't know, but it's growing and all that stuff, but yeah, I don't do my edges or nothing. Look. And then now I have this piece of hair. I wonder if you can see it. There it is. It's a gray hair, but I can't tell if this is a gray hair like it's coming out of my head or it's a gray hair like it's a piece of my cat's hair mixed in with my hair. But the placement of it, from what I can see, I think it's coming out of my head. What I'm going to do is I'm going to moisturize my hair. Then we're going to talk what the heck we're supposed to do with the styling part. In honor of Hallie announcing that we already knew that she was effing pregnant. You gotta rip the Little Mermaid. Oh, this got the original girl in there, but y'all get the gist. But let me grab the stuff. I'll be right back. Do people with glasses make it look like they know more? We finna find out. Jesus. These are so dirty, I cannot see anything. Y'all see my ring light? Period. But I still got a little bit left, but I'm gonna just pour it out. The only reason I'm gonna pour this out is because the aloe vera juice needs to be refrigerated, and this has not been in the refrigerator. So that's why I'm pouring this out. I don't want y'all thinking, oh, you're just wasting product. We got the money, we'll just buy it again. To be frankly honest. You want some Carmex? Oh, okay. Could have swore this was mine. All right. Dutch is gonna run because I'm gonna start spraying my hair. So you're gonna saturate your hair. I don't plan on going anywhere today, so I don't have to be like, oh, I gotta spray my hair now before I go outside. I don't have to do that. But this is an everyday spray. And then I have low porosity hair, so I have to like spray it and then like squeeze it into my hair. Otherwise, I'm doing it for nothing. Technically from here, if I wanted to, I could just stop because the goal is moisture. Just want to lock it in. Like, doesn't my hair look way better than what it did? Yeah, it does. It looks happy. Stiff wear. So now here is the process of what I'm going through. I really need to put my hair up or something because it's irritating. My piercing right here, my rook, like just straight off the top of my head. I'm thinking that I want to do that style that I did a couple months back where I'm doing like all of it going into an updo. That's what I'm thinking, but I'm not sure. I know I'm gonna do something that involves me needing to split my hair in half, so might as well beat myself to the punch. So I like this idea, like how it's all of it is up, but I really like the couple of Dragon Ball Z little antennas hanging in the front. But this one is pretty much the same, just on the side, but I don't want the sides out. And then this is all of it, but the two Dragon Ball Z antennas down in the front. So that's what we're going for. I really like this one because it's all my hair in the back, all going into one spot. But I don't think that I'm gonna be able to do that. So it'd be best if I try and do this one because I'll have to split it into different sections that have it go up. So I got my ponytail holders to section off my hair, and then I'll grab the black rubber bands when I'm ready to like get ready to fully initiate it. We're gonna start with splitting my hair straight down the middle. The back, I just have this. So I'm thinking this right here should go up to at least right here. So it'll go all the way up and then stop like right here. And then this part is gonna be in the center. Does that make sense? Gonna find out though. I be having to hide my ponytail holders for my cats. These ones that don't have like the little like the little melted part. Pissing me off. Gotta hide my stuff. So let me see. So, wait a minute, don't give up my heart all in it. I just wanna bring it tonight. Like please, yeah, it's true, but I changed the thing for you. I see what it's doing, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's do what I hear. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna chill. Let's do what I hear. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We can stay first. Never feel it. You can see that. I can move this way or split it down the middle, or I can move it this way. I never put anything on the side where my eyebrow piercing is, so it'll be this way or down the middle. Usually down the middle. But yeah, other than that, look, there it is. You know, in the back it feels super tight, but I know that's just me. I mean, I am kind of heavy-handed, but yeah. So this'll last me for a little while. I just really wanted something where my hair isn't touching my ear, and then these two pieces out because I refuse to slick my edges. Not doing that. Do y'all still be seeing these? This the cherry lime Arizonas, because I could have swore they were only at the hood gas stations. For some reason, I found one today at the Asian market. Thank you for tuning into this chaotic first video of 2024. Letting me ramble about I don't even know what, but yeah, this is the hair. One more time. Let me see if I can hold the boy cat. He was sleeping, so. Okay, go to sleep. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to this YouTube video. The next video should be the pie. And then after that, we got all new content that I gotta record. But again, I'll see y'all later. Lemire, say bye. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody, buddies.